Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you into Primark and a bit into B&M as well. I did a bit of shopping for Christmas and just the festive season, so I'm really excited to show you what's in the shops. And I'm also going to have a Primark haul video coming up very soon, so you can see what I picked up in the shops. So if you're curious to see what I got on my shopping trip, then I will link that video down below once it's live. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started and see what's in the shops. So right when you go into the Primark shop, they have so many festive things. I really liked these cute little houses. These were ceramic ones and they were £4. And they also light up. They had loads of candles and they smelled so lovely. They had so many storage baskets as usual. I feel like Primark is really good for this as well. I really liked these golden candle holders, so lovely. And then they also had pine cone decorations and just so many different little decorations that you can put on your Christmas tree or just around the home. And these ones were a pack of 6 for only £2, which I thought was really good. They also had these pine reed diffusers, which I thought was really good for only 80p. I'm going to give these a try and see how they smell, but they looked really good. So yeah, that's one thing that really caught my eye. And you can see here some more of these decorations. These were reindeer ones, just so cute. And they had these stuffed animals as well. They also had these little canvas frames that I think are really good for decor. I think these aren't necessarily Christmassy, but they're just really lovely. And they had these terracotta little plant pots as well, and these were £4 too. So I think these are for hanging and they're really cute as well. They also had this pampas, and this was only £1.50 if I can remember correctly. And you can fluff them up a bit and put them in a vase, which is really lovely. And I actually meant to get some of these, and I said to myself, oh, I'll just go in the shop, get the other things, and then come back and pick these up, because I didn't want to ruin them in my basket, and I forgot to go back and get them. So hopefully maybe next time that I go into the shop, if they still have them, I'm going to pick up some of these. Then they had this huge Christmassy display with all the red and green bits. They had these jars with, I think, potpourri or just cones, and they looked really lovely. They had candle holders again here. These jars were around £3.50, and they had these kind of star golden candle holders.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I
Then they had some really lovely wreaths, just kind of very basic green with those red berries and pine cones on them. And I really liked the throws that they have in here, which I'll show you in a second. Then they had these really lovely candles. They smelled really nice. These were £4, and they also had these kind of star decorations, which looked really cool.
You don't have to wake up yet.
So many cute little candles. And then they also had these wooden train advent calendars. How cute are these? This one was £14. And then they also had such lovely kind of Sherpa throws. And this is just a really lovely, like, chunky one. They had them in green and red, and these were £16 each. So really lovely for a Christmas throw. And then they also had these houses in kind of a smaller version, and these were so cute as well. I really loved them. And they had some pillar candles, which would be really nice for a Christmassy display. These were only £2, which are really good if you want to get a bunch of them to kind of decorate around the home. And then they also had this cotton duvet cover set in like a Christmassy scene, and I liked that it's grey. And then they also had these large throws in a white color. I kind of wish I got this, to be honest, because it looked so comfy.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
And they also had these cute little snowmen and reindeer figurines, and the big ones were £22, and then the smallest ones were £3.50. So that's kind of the range, and then they had some in between as well. But yeah, how cute are these? Maybe to put kind of on a shelf.
Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
They also had these microfiber tea towels for £3.50 for a pack of 3, or no, for a pack of 4. and they looked really cute. They had these cute ones with snowman and reindeer, and then they also had some really basic kind of monochrome ones, which I really liked as well. They had loads of little packs of LED lights, which I thought were really good value. These were only £2.50 for a pack of 4 LED lights, and I just use these around the home quite a bit during the holidays.
The wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
And then sticking with the LED lights, they had so many of these for only £1.50 or £3 for the bigger ones. And yeah, just strip lights and cotton balls, string lights, and just all of the lights for Christmas that you could possibly need. And then they had some more of these advent calendars in so many different shapes. Like they had this Christmas tree one, and they also had the Coca-Cola lorry one. They had a little house one. So cute. I thought this would be really nice so that you can put in there whatever you prefer for your children, whether that's chocolate or something else. Just really cute idea. They had loads of these sets of 6 baubles for £3.50, which is really nice, in different colors and shapes and everything like that.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Your favorite music on.
They also had this kind of jewelry advent calendar for £10 and just loads of different little accessories, which I think would be really cute in like a Christmas gift idea, or maybe stocking fillers or something like that. And then in the accessories section, they had for £6 loads of these comfy, cozy little scarves. I say little, but they're actually not little. They were quite huge, to be honest, like chunky scarves, and they had them in so many different patterns. Yeah, and the fabric felt so nice and soft, so I think it would be really nice to keep you warm during winter. And then I moved downstairs where they had all of these jumpers, like Christmassy jumpers and pajamas as well. So they had these neutral ones which looked really cute. They had matching hats to go with them. So lovely. I really liked the pattern on these. And then they also had these Christmassy jumpers, like the red ones.
Shut the lights, go infrared.
And they also had this snooty. It's like this huge thing that goes on you and keeps you all nice and warm. I kind of wish I got one now that I think about it, but it was so lovely, and I bet it's super comfy. And then they had the pajamas in so many different prints. They had this Santa squad one, and they also have these in loads of different sizes, so whether you want to get it maybe for the entire family. We actually have some family Christmas pajamas that we've had from Primark. I think we've had that for 2 years now, and I really like getting them out at Christmas. They're really cute.
We can spend all day in bed.
And they also had the tins with biscuits and cookies inside, which are always really nice to get, aren't they? And these were £5. I really liked this house one. I thought it looked really lovely. And then they also had loads of little hot chocolate mugs and hot chocolate mixes, a hot chocolate bomb that you can make with marshmallows inside. And they had the mugs with kind of a cozy knit around it. How cute is that? And they also had like Father Christmas and gingerbread ones.
AAA credits are right. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA 24 twice. She's on the phone but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. You want you to return this love.
And then I also spotted these gray and cream coats. These looked really lovely, kind of more of a structured coat, so they looked really nice for winter. And then they had these in multiple patterns, and one thing that really caught my eye was this kind of Sherpa teddy little coat, and I have a very similar one. I got mine from Tesco's, actually, from F&F, but they had these ones in here for £20 as well, and they looked so comfy. I love wearing mine. It's just so nice and keeps you really warm. They also had this kind of cozy cable knit set with a jumper and trousers, and this looks so comfy as well. I think it's such a nice little set to have for winter. And now moving on to B&M, I just had a look in there. It was actually quite busy, but I just wanted to have a look at their decorations. So they had so many cute little figurines here, like white little Christmas trees or silver ones. I really like this golden stag deer, so cute, for £4.
Want you to return his love. Now he's bleeding, diamonds on you. But that ain't enough.
I always like looking at their bath section as well. They had these cute little bath mats, like "you look lovely today," that's what one of them said, and another one said "get naked." I thought it was quite funny. They had so many cute little decorations in here. I know it's not necessarily Christmas, but yeah, just in case you want to spruce up for the holidays.
He's kneeling, wants to feel known. But he's not the one who goes away. That ain't enough to turn the page.
In this section they had quite a few kind of hanging decorations and sets of Baubles. I feel like they had such good value for their Baubles, like £3.50 for a huge pack of little Baubles.
Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash on second thought. Venice by fourth, she's on the job, but she's staying home. Wilshire Boulevard, old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark.
I also had a look in their cleaning section because they also have really good cleaning bits in there, and they had these festive scents. Some of them were from the Hinge range, and then they also had quite a few of these Hinge basics like the Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy, and the Minkies and everything like that. And I also spotted this pink stuff with a scrubber inside, which I thought was really good.
Turn his love. Now he's bleeding, diamonds on you. But that ain't.
But that's about it for my shop with me in Primark and B&M for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you do. And don't forget to check out my Primark haul, which will be up very soon after this video. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!